welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to start our new module, that is control structure in C, which is a weightage of 9 marks in a GTO syllabus. So we have already completed the module first and second of this subject. So if you have not watched that videos, you can learn them from a given I button or a link in the description box. So let's continue with this module. So topics to be covered in this module is simple statements, decision making statements, looping statements, nesting of control structures, break and continuous, go to statement. So what is a simple statement? When an expression such as s equal to 0 or I plus plus or printf become a statement when it is followed by a semicolon. So here in this line x equal to 0 does not contain any semicolon, or I plus plus also not containing a semicolon. But if we add a semicolon at the end of each statement, each line, we will call them as a statement. So as given example, this is all statements. Next in C, semicolon is a statement terminator other than a separator, as it is language in like a Pascal. So C is a language like a Pascal. So it semicolon behaves like a terminator of a line. It indicates that printf function is terminated at this point. Also x equal to 0 is terminated at this semicolon. So let's move further. What is a decision making statements? So C program statements are executed sequences. Sequencer means in a proper sequence, all the C program will be executed. So decision making statements are used to control the flow of a program. So decision making statements are used to control the flow of programming. This statement will be controlling your flow, whether what steps to be executed when which condition is satisfied, and if a condition is false, then which steps to be followed is decision given by this decision making statements. It allows us to control whether a program segment is executed or not. So if you have any condition that if the marks is greater than equal to 90, then and only then it will get a distinction. So if his marks is not greater than 90, so some the distinction should be not print, so the statement is not going to execute. So it allows to control the statement to be executed or not. It evaluates conditional or logical expression first, and based on the result, either true or false, the control is transferred to a particular statement, as we have discussed an example. So it will first evaluate the condition or logical expression, and then it will decide which statement is to be executed. If result is true, then it takes one path, else it takes another path. So the different type of decision making statement are: if it is a one-way decision making statement, means if condition is true, then this, no any other option for that. In a two-way decision statement, there are two options. If condition is true, then this, else condition is false, then what you have to execute. So in a else part, that is a what you have to execute when the if condition is going to be false. In a multi-way decision making statement, there are many conditions, like if this condition is true, then what to execute. Else if means if condition is false, then if this is condition, then it is true. So it will like else if means if this condition is true, but if it is going to false, then it will check the else if other condition until the last operation, that is else. If this every condition is going to false, then else part is going to be executed at least once. Two-way decision is like a conditional statements, and n-way decision making statement, which are switch cases. So this is the basic introduction for this module. We will continue next in topics in the next video, and we will see all the program in the details. We will continue from the if programs, and then if else program, and then if else if else ladder, and then condition statement, and the switch case in a detail. So thank you guys.